Step 1. Remove the cushion from the arm sling. Step 2. Size the arm sling. The Ultrasling Pro is shipped for a large, extra large forearm length of 15 inches or longer. For proper fit, the sling should extend to base of index finger to maintain proper position of patient's wrist, hand, and forearm during rehab. To fit the arm sling for patients with shorter forearm length, first remove the thumb and forearm straps on sling. Disengage the quick release buckles at the front of the sling and fold the arm envelope in, adhering the hook and loop tabs on the inside of the envelope. Step 3. Size the shoulder ring and straps. Place the patient's forearm in the sling, with the elbow as far back as possible. Open the shoulder ring. Trim the shoulder ring to the desired length. Check to make sure the shoulder ring fits comfortably without binding under the arm. Now secure the shoulder strap with quick release buckles at front of arm sling. Release the sling strap so it's extended to longest length. This may be trimmed following application of the cushion. Step 4. Position the abduction cushion and secure waist belt. Remove arm sling from patient and set aside prior to sizing waist belt and cushion. Make sure the contoured end of the cushion is at the back of the elbow. Place the cushion at waist or hip level under the affected arm. Wrap the waist belt around the patient and secure with quick release buckle on front of cushion. Now, attach the arm sling to the cushion. Place the patient's arm in the arm sling and apply the shoulder ring. Secure the quick release buckles at front of arm sling. Adjust and trim the sling strap as necessary for proper positioning and fit. Then apply the thumb and forearm straps.